If you're experiencing pending transfers on Spotify, it can be frustrating. Follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Ashraf.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Verify your account status. Make sure your Spotify account is in good standing. Check for any notifications or alerts regarding your subscription status that may be causing the pending transfers. Step 3. Refresh your app. Sometimes, simply refreshing the app can resolve minor glitches. Close the Spotify app completely and then reopen it to see if the pending transfers update. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Spotify's customer support. Provide them with details about the pending transfers and any relevant account information for quicker assistance. Step 5. Wait for processing. After taking the above steps, give it some time. Payment processing can take a few hours or even a day, so check back later to see if the transfers have cleared. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on your Spotify account. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Spotify's support team.